You can't be like, return of the Mac.
Yeah.
Once again, return
I
of
know.
pop the wall. Oh my God. You know that I believe what I do. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. That's already. That's already.
Shout out to that year, Mark Morrison.
Mark Morrison.
Name be name. We get one of our guys resemble.
Oh yeah?
Kabuchi. You know wear glass like this, now don't resemble Mark Morrison. That year. Return of the Mac.
Once again. You know say Ogolo the song will rain that time. It be like that time I be whether in primary school or secondary school, I don't even remember when I did because I don't old small. That song, not be say too old, like it old small, but not be like that. Now my favorite song. Hey, with the rap nonsense. Put that dress so scandalous and the reason what this is scandalous and look at that is
Cisco nigga
as miss the is the accident I like when you put it baby I wanna show the start I like when you go baby go I wanna show the start I like the way you move the thing and then the body and then the day and then
that time, man, particularly hot. Hey, people gonna say, oh, but you got what?
I'm telling you, that's so great.
Cisco nigga one.
Cisco nigga one.
Boss gonna pop powder for hair. Everybody want carry Cisco hair that year.
Then
if you see
the one when I dey rap pieces. Oh yeah, go break.
Oh yeah, Ogbolo, Mayowa, we have come together.
We have come.
Yeah, break.
Go break.
You know, sing our song. Evil people.
I must sing this song when we come back. And they just came upon us.
We know why we are laughing. Only us know the reason. The South. I used to go around the YMCA in LA.
That one pay you. Andele, mommy, EI.
Nigga, hear that?
Body to the henna. Andele, mommy, EI. What's popping tonight? I'm a fatty for come. In love, it's in zone. Hey, everything done. Everything done. And 1 or 2 4. Never to know. And you know, I know. Everybody phone when they say, I know. Everybody say, ready to come.
Who let the dogs out?
When the baby outside before I was pumping, everybody's happy.
For party, people don't know how to dance this song. People don't know how to take that song.
And the woman shouted, who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
See, when men say, we are dogs.
We are out. We are out.
Oh, but beautiful times.
It was so much fun.
Those are the years.
If you bring and come, it's time to show the beautiful people how we get down. It's time to show the beautiful people how we get down. Ijoya, 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 Awala, Ijoya, Ijoya.
Now the cartoon be that.
Ijoya,
Where them see? Where is the?
We are down. We are down. Okay, welcome to Paddy. My name is Mayowa, in name now Bolo, and together we are a Paddy Square. You understand? I'm not really sure which one is my mic, 6 or 5. Because I'm looking here, looking here. Which Ogbola look? Is it this one?
It's 5.
Is it this one?
It's 5.
Is it this one?
This one.
Fantastic.
Bam.
Okay, so, you understand?
No.
We help ourselves. Don't worry yourself. Anything that happens in this show, just take it like that. It's a move on. It's a bringing of God. Don't worry yourself. All right, so Paddy be the name of the show, and we they get many things so the carry can give you. Upset, we don't really know what be the synopsis. As he come now, we they give you.
Yes.
You understand? So today, if you tell you say we get yarn, laugh, the laugh. If you come tomorrow, maybe the thing change to gist the gist.
Or chook the chook.
Or game the game.
Yeah.
So
counseling the counseling.
Counseling the counseling. We're not really consistent in our constant delivery because we have too much inside of us.
There's too much
that we want to let out.
Exactly.
So we cannot really follow a routine. We're not really routine following people. You understand? So anyhow we come, you're just going to take it like that. Because in this life, you cannot have a specification. People will see your under.
You have to be spontaneous.
You have to be spontaneous.
You have to be diverse.
Yes.
several sources of
You
income.
have to be versatile.
Versatile.
Yes.
You understand?
So
If you are a
versatility,
businessman, for example,
yes.
you have to be versatility.
Yes.
You understand?
Versatility, diversity,
Yeah.
spontaneity, all those T
You
is
have to
what
be,
we are.
yes, diverse.
So that's
You
why
understand?
on this show tonight, normally we go just come, tell you, say, see waiting there on top yarn, this one happened, that one. Today, we are just going to be readactivity it. We will read it.
According to the thing
way
that is
it is
handed
here,
to us,
we will
you understand?
read
We should
it.
just deliver it to you.
Because we're not
live.
really sure if we should do it off
head. Yes, because we feel miss some information.
So I want to tell you, even when you go to school, every time you cram, sometimes you read from the book.
Oh.
That is it. So give us the idea. I want to read it.
Yes, we'll read it out to everybody.
In English.
Let's go.
Okay, and we are back. You're going to start first or I'm going to start first?
You are going to, okay, because you are getting one. Okay, after second.
It didn't really matter much, you're my brother.
Oh, Jane.
Don't worry yourself. Okay, now, here is the news in full.
Dun, 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 dun.
Vineyard keeps vine pest free with the help of adorable 900 Duck Army. Now, this is a DUCK, okay? Duck Army. Una sabi duck, Army of Ducks. Vegetables. Don't do that. Vegetables. I'm trying to. Oh, God, stop it. This is really. See, VERGENOEGD. Pronounce it.
N-E.
Yes.
VERGE.
VERGENOEGD. Right.
You need to be spelled. You need to be called this thing. This one is simple now. This one, not be this simple.
No, pronounce it now.
This is not very
Wait till I talk. Wait till I laugh.
How do they write all this in GBD?
That is a wine estate.
They talk.
Verginois Vine Estate. A small wine in South Africa keeps the use of chemicals to a minimum with the help of a 900-strong army of ducks that make sure all the vines are always free of pests and snails. One of the last things you will expect to see on a vineyard is a large group of ducks running around, now quaking and looking for things to feast on. And yet, that's the sight you're very likely to behold at the Verge Wine Estate in Stellenbosch, South Africa. A federal army of 900 Indian runner ducks is unleashed through the grapevines 2 times a day, once at 9:45 a.m., again at 3:30 p.m., and allowed to feast on any pests and snails they can find. Now, over the years, the duck have become a tourist attraction of sorts and even have their own daily parade where visitors can watch them run to work. As you can see in the video below, that's the pictures what we'll show you now, it's a pretty impressive sight. Indian runner ducks are unusual breed. They stand upright like penguins. Penguins, and those one will be black and white.
So for water side.
For inside water side. They stand upright like penguins, and instead of waddling, they run. Now, the Verge Wine Estate website states they hardly make any noise, with only the females quaking. They are the perfect breed to use in vines, since they are mostly preoccupied with foraging snails and slugs and love to spend their days snacking away. One man's pest is another man's dog snack. Now, what did they try to talk? They say this vineyard.
You see why I explain now? After this many reads.
No mess. No mess. This vineyard, pests, they always disturb them. Things like snails.
Yes.
Like all these crawling things, all these crawling things. But if they say instead of them to use chemical, destroy them, can't destroy their own vines. So what they go do? They go just unleash duck. So that they release them twice in a day. So the dog will just go there. The only work when they get now to the pee. And Indian dogs, then they run. They know they waddle like every other dog.
And run. So that means if you pass one person vineyard, they don't pick everything.
And they say they don't make any noise. So you go
only the women that they do.
So you just say they don't run, they don't chop all the snail.
You just see your vine, you just be pest free.
They say that so that they take care of the pests.
Now they take big boss, they carry them come. You your dog, you see
all the snails.
Dogs
run for cover.
How they come stand? Hey, what am I? Hey,
Divorce.
wow, no more pests.
What an effective
Wow.
duck. Effective duck gathering.
You can employ duck in your house. You understand? If you get human being will be pests, safe, you can use the duck to come and take care of it. You get me now? Anyway, we both the two get sense. You know this one? You know him?
So, this artist,
yes,
he always draw with handwriting. He's a drawee. The guy likes to draw. He's an artist. He draws for a living. No be he don't draw in wrists. Can't begin pain him.
Wow.
Now in context, okay, make him rest in wrist a little bit. Now the resting of that wrist, he won't rest a little bit. He can't look himself. Look in kitchen. Look in salt. Look the black blank something where they in house. Look. Say wow. I get idea of airbrush. Airbrush now those where they use paint, where they spray paint on top.
Okay.
Something they take play. They take draw. Now the guy say, I get idea of this spray paint. Now so my guy don't carry salt. Begin use and draw and cooking instruments, cooking things. Now India the guy they see salt.
Now salt be all this one though. It's not Game of Thrones people now.
Yes. On top black, on top. So all the black thing where they see there at the background.
Wow.
The white things where you see so na salt. Not being the guy and the most annoying thing be say as this thing fine reach this one I do some one India Melutra where the guy build.
Wow.
And you can't know the worst part of him be say as he do this thing finish. When people don't look and finish, small time you go just use hand to take gather everything again. It dey take am close to 25 hours to do one painting. But you know say to build something they had, to destroy I know they had.
You know they had.
So when he just finish, you go just like this in one.
Everything you just scatter again.
I swear.
After how many hours?
25 hours.
25 hours.
See all these things are salts now like this. This guy is a dewey.
That means one way or the other.
See them.
You think they pay some women now? Hey, see salt what's about they cook food what they cost now for Lagos. Yeah? Say now you they use salt they do this thing. Play.
See Lannister. See Lannister daughter. See Game of Thrones people. If you don't watch that
Game of Thrones
series, you go there familiar with these names.
That means this guy now, maybe when they grow, if they play with salt well. So mothers, my story, why are black like this?
You black normally, no?
No, I'm not bright.
You are quite a charcoal. Even I am black. The hair I can't do, the shoe, the cloth, everything all black, full everywhere.
It's neither of us. Now the things way they around us. There's no brightness to the picture.
Wow. Oh, purple white paper near us now.
Just to reflect.
Make something for your bright.
Anyway, but you see, when children they grow, you understand, and they play some kind of play. Mothers, be careful. That picking for you that is going to do something later for in life.
Like play with salt now.
Like play with salt now.
Salt man.
Yes. Yeah. Your son can become the most popular salt man. Artist or
salted artistic man.
Yes. You understand? So you never can tell. And government will just come say, we like to employ this boy to be using salt to be doing everything for us.
Yes. You
say, come say, hey, salt. You say, you can go start your own at a late age, but it no go work. You understand? So encourage the children.
Let's go break.
And they encourage mothers.
Encourage.
You are encouraged. Break.
We are so stupid.
We'll go break. We know the.
Don't say wicked. That person when they laugh. You gonna say the person wicked, very evil cousin. Okay, see as I black.
No, see, now because something never drop. Now it make person we supposed to do it baffle. You understand? That thing will never drop. That is meant to have been dropped has not been dropped. So the person can't drop.
Okay, so it was an exchange dropping.
Yes, you get me now. So we don't want to talk now because the droppies or the droppers feed the reason the whole level. So they'll come to say, you understand? So no can go follow, put the dropped. You know, for the final dropping.
With the droppy that will arouse to a final droppation.
Yes. And the droppability of the droppy.
To drop the dropper is quite high.
Yes, so let's just drop it.
Yes, let's just drop it. Yeah. Let's just drop it.
Okay, so for my own story now.
But I won't sneeze.
Won't sneeze? Sneeze.
Continue.
No, make I help you do it. That thing, so people want to sneeze. You call it what small nonsense you come out. Okay, grandpapa. See, old age. Different people they react different ways to old age. This man now, he say, okay, make him go pick him grandson for school. As he come and reach the school, you know, say, picking when he come, he can see one small boy they come. He can say, wow, that is my grandson. Now go pick the boy, you. The teacher, the way they on duty, say, come ask him, is this your grandfather? The small boy say, yes. They can't go where they sign. As they reach for where they will sign, they see the man name, say, the man will come pick picking. They can't say, okay, they carry and give the old man. By the time they reach the motor, even the old woman waiting for the motor, don't even look back. She just saying that her grandson, the grandfather, don't go carry come.
They go.
They all have to drive. They go. She even stretch her hand, give him burger for back. Say, they chop. No, when she go notice, say, she just drive. They just look, say,
Who be this?
Picking what this is, so get open seats. Say, our own no get that space for seats. Now I look back. Now she shout for the husband. And they turn back, go back to school. And then they can't reach school, they can't find out, say, nobody, their own grandson, they go pick. They go pick another person picking. But this one just, he tell me something. Aww. See this boy. Now, so for take loss. The parents of the boy now, the real parents and the grandparents of the boy now can later come. They come find out, say, to say this couple now, no can carry this boy, come back. Now, so for take loss.
So.
They can say negligence on the part of the school authorities. You know, they should know who is who and who is coming to take who. You understand?
He's so cute.
So, you know, we just thank God, say, last, the boy no be lost in things. Then they see, carry and come back, come claim their own rightful grandson.
Like a little bit. Two boys.
You understand? See two of them face now. They resemble, the thing close one kind.
They resemble small.
You know? But, Jeff, this one for left be like Jeff Head. Upcoming of Jeff Head. This one for left.
It be like mini Jeff.
Now, give this guy like another 10 years now. If you see Akma, you know, that head girl be like stadium. You can just open.
We just say short nika where Jeff they wear.
No, he dey wear that short nika for a reason. Because they packed things.
Children of Wobe. Let's go for laugh the laugh. We heard an information about you, Jeff.
Jeff. Okay. Okay, so like this now. Jam was on top social media. At Wazobia Paddy. And at Wazobia TV NG. Make sure you send us message, because like this now, we don't invest. So you don't understand message sometimes. So as it be like this now, so what can I remain now? Okay, get better day and may God bless everybody. Yeah, so...
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.